Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the software development life cycle. In the software development, what are the phases we can see, what are the process we can see inside that phases, and what are the things inside each phases. We are going to understand this one in the today's class. So it is asked in the some of the competitive exams and in the interview too. So let's go and understand software development life cycle. So we can call it as an SDLC also. It is the shortest form for software development life cycle. SDLC. This is the shortest form for software development lifecycle. So here, what is the software development lifecycle means? Let's understand one real world example. So we will go to the definition part. First, we will understand that one, like if you want to make or if you want to build a house, how we are going to follow some of the steps, right? So let's say you want to make a coffee, because I don't know how to make a biryani, so I will not take that example. So let's take how to make a coffee. To make a coffee, what we are going to do, we need something, right? What are things we need? We need a milk, we need a coffee powder, we need a sugar, right? So we need one bowl for that to make an coffee, right? So we need a gas, right? We need a stove, right? The thing we need. So what are the things we need? We will take that first, right? So what are the things we need? We need a milk and coffee powder and sugar and one bowl, right? That thing we will take first, right? Milk, those things we will take first. Next, we will follow some of the steps, right? We will place that bowl on the stove, right? We will place that one and we will add milk, and then we will add a coffee powder, then we will add and sugar, right? So like that we will make an coffee, right? Okay, let's take one more example. To build an house, we will follow some of the steps, right? First, we will sit with the family members. We will discuss how many rooms we can build and how we can build that one. We will first discuss how many rooms we need, and we will understand like in how much area we are going to build an house. All those things we are going to discuss with the family members. Then we will talk with one civil engineer. Then we will tell them like we need this room and how many rooms we need, and one kitchen we need, and like that we will tell that them, right? What are the things we need. That time the engineer is going to ask some of the questions. You need this one, that, or you need like that. It is they are going to recommend something, right? They will ask something. So we will talk with them and they will prepare according to your requirement. They are going to prepare on a plan, house plan they are going to prepare. Then they will show it to you, right? They will show it to you. See, I have prepared one plan, see here, and this is okay or not. What can I change here? Anything extra you need, like that they are going to tell them. And if they need any changes, they will do that one, and they will start building, right? So here, like that also, while we are developing an software, we are going to follow some of the phases, right? So SDLC means software development life cycle. What we can say here means it is the one kind of process we can say. It is used by software companies, right, to design, develop, test, delivery, high quality of the software. We are going to follow some of the process. That process we can call as a software development life cycle. Think like it is the step-by-step plan. We can say it is a step-by-step plans that helps the team build a software successfully without making a mistake, right? So let's take first, let's take if the engineer take the contract and they build a house, then the house owner will come and they will say, no, I don't need this kind of things, I need that. So we can't change that one, right? So they will tell, I need a 3 rooms, but you build it only 1 room, like that, right? Here the what will happen, here the already house is built and we can't modify that one. Once we build it that one, it is a riskiest thing after building if you want to alter that one, right? So in the software development also, to prevent some of the mistakes, we are going to prepare one particular plan. We are going to prepare one step-by-step plan. According to that, the team, it is going to build a software, we can see, right? That thing we can call as a software development life cycle. It is a step-by-step process used by the software companies to design, develop, test, and deliver the high quality of the software. It is a step-by-step process, right? It is used by the software companies to design, develop, test, and deliver the high quality of the software. That thing we can call as a software development life cycle. Why we need a software development life cycle means it is a help in delivering the good software, quality of the software, right? It is going to deliver the good quality software and reduce the mistakes, saves the time and cost, also helps the team works in order to, and gives the clarity on what to do in each of the steps, right? So that's why we need an software to reduce the project failure, right? If you're not prepared and one plan, right, so in the future it is going to fail that product, right? In future the software can fail, right? So to reduce the project failure, to deliver the software on the time, to control the budget, maintain the quality, avoid the confusions among the teammates, right? So that's why we need an software development life cycle, proper plan we need, right? So how many phases we can see here means the first phase is a requirement gathering. Requirement inside a requirement gathering, what it is going to do means it is a first steps in the software development lifecycle, we can say. And here what it is going to do means we are going to let's take one example. The client want we will meet that client, and we will meet that client, and we are going to talk with them, and we will discuss you need a food delivery app, and if you need a food delivery app, what features should you need, what features should be there, and you need a login, or you want order tracking features, and you need a payment option. What are the things you need? That thing we are going to ask them. We will collect that one, and here it is like find out what user really needs. That thing we are going to do in this requirement gathering phase. Here the in the interviews, or it is a questioning them, and you are going to observe the client. We are going to understand the what clients is expecting, right? We are going to observe that client, what level of the software he need. All those things we are going to understand here, and we are going to collect those details, and here we are going to store in a document format, right? So this is this document we can call it as a software requirement specification document. We are going to prepare one document, that is the software requirement specifications document. Here we are going to understand the client's needs, and we are going to note that points in the requirement gathering phase. So the second phase is the system design. In the system design, inside the system design, we are going to here understand the architecture design of the systems. We are going to understand here like a UI UX design, and database design, and application architectures. All those things we are going to design here inside the system design phase. It is a design phase. Here we are going to understand the architecture design. Here we are going to make that one, right? So for example, decide where to store the user details or the payments, where it is going to stored, like in the architecture design, what we are going to store. In the database design, what are the things we are going to store, and in the interface design, what are the things we can show to the user, and all those things we are going to design inside this system design phase. So it is like a blueprint of the software. You can see here we are creating a blueprint inside the system design phase. And here inside in the development or coding phase, what it is going to do means here we are created one blueprint, right? Architecture design, all the designs, and we are created one blueprint, right? According to the blueprint, we are going to develop the software, and we are actually going to write a coding here, like here the front end, back end, APIs, database, all those things, everything is built here according to the design. Whatever the design they told in the previous steps, we are going to take that design, and we are going to build that one. We are going to code that one here inside the development and coding phase. And here inside the testing phase, inside the testing phase, we are going to take the software whichever built it in the previous phase, and we are going to take that one. Before we are releasing that software, we are going to test. We are going to check for the big bugs and for the errors. We are going to check that one, and we are going to fix them, right? Here we can see the manual testing, automation testing, performance testings, and the unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. All those things will be comes under inside the testing phase. Whatever the software we are built it in the previous steps, we will take that one. Before releasing, we are going to test the performance. We are going to test all the things. If the bug we are found, then we will send back that software with a document where it is error. Then the software developers, they are going to fix that one, right? Again they will send, and again they are going to test that software, right? So this is a most important thing, right? So it is a testing, right? Testers checks for the bugs. Here we are going to ensure the quality and performance, everything we are going to check inside the testing phase. And next phase is the deployment phase. Let's take the software testing is also done. The everything is perfect now, right? So next phase is what you are going to do means we will take that software, and we are going to deliver to the client, or upload it to the Play Store or the production. We are going to upload that one. We are going to deploy that one, right? So to make the software available to the real user, we are going to deliver that one, deploy that one, right? So after that, the user can use that one, right? So it is a deployment phase. Here the purpose is to make software available to the real user. That is the purpose, we can say. Next phase is the maintenance phase. Inside the maintenance means it is a after deployment. Let's take you are deployed that one, and after you deployed that one, any error found, that you are going to fix that one. And if you want to add some extra features of that deployment, that you will going to do that one in the maintenance phase, right? Here the software is delivered to the client, right? Or you are uploaded on the Play Store and production. Next, after that, you are going to fix the bugs, or you are going to provide the some of the features, updates the apps. All those things are going to do in the maintenance phase. Here the purpose is to keep the software working smoothly. right? So this is a maintenance phase. This is about phases in the software development, right? So first one is requirement gathering. We are going to meet the client and we are going to ask the clients what are the things you need, whatever the things the user needs, we are going to collect that one and we are going to store that one in one document, that is a software requirement specifications document. And next phase is the system design. Here the architecture, database design, everything we are going to do here, and it is like a blueprint we can say. And after that, here the deployment, development and coding. Here according to the plan we are going to do the coding and develop that software. And after the development and after done and coding, we are giving that software to the testers, and here the tester is going to test that software for the smooth working. First we are going to check the performance and quality, all those things we are going to done in the testing phase. And after the deployment, we are deploying that one, we are giving deliver to the client, and here we're actually delivering that whatever the software we are building, that one we are delivering to the client inside the deployment. And here the maintenance after deployment, any bugs found, that here we are going to fix that one, or if you want to update the some of the features, that will be going to do in the maintenance phase. This is about phases of the software development lifecycle. And models we can see here, the waterfall model, agile model, V model. This will be the models of the software development lifecycle. And in the interviews also they are going to ask about these models. If you want me to explain these models, let me know in the comments. I will make another video about these models. So okay, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you in the next. Thank you.